Introduction. Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing how to get 1000 subscribers fast on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out, or you've been creating content for a while, increasing your subscriber count can be a challenging task. It can be easy to get discouraged or lose hope when you're not seeing immediate results. But it's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience to build a loyal audience and grow your channel. It's crucial to remain calm and focused on your goals. Keep learning and improving your content and settings. Don't be afraid to try new things and take risks. Most importantly, be consistent and maintain continuity. With dedication and perseverance, you will see the results you want. So stay motivated, stay positive, and keep pushing forward. Your hard work will pay off in the end. However, by implementing the strategies we'll be discussing in this video, you can grow your channel quickly and efficiently. Channel branding. The first thing you need to do to get 1000 subscribers fast is to make sure your channel is branded properly. This means having a professional channel icon, channel art, and About Us page. Your channel icon should be recognizable and should represent your brand or niche. Your channel art should be visually appealing and should provide information about your channel. Your About Us page should give viewers an idea of what your channel is about, what type of content you create, and what they can expect from your channel. Recommend users more of your content. The next strategy to get more subscribers is to recommend users more of your content. There are several ways you can do this. First, you can use an I button on your videos that links to other videos on your channel. Second, you can create a channel page that showcases your most popular videos or playlists. Third, you can use community posts and descriptions to promote your videos and let your subscribers know when new content is available. Peace strategy. The peace strategy is another great way to get 1000 subscribers fast. This strategy involves providing exclusive and amazing content for engagement. This can include extra perks like bonus videos, PDFs, giveaways, etc. after completing milestones. By providing exclusive content to your subscribers, you can keep them engaged and interested in your channel. You can also use this strategy to incentivize new subscribers to join your channel. Choose your specific channel strategy. To get more subscribers, you need to have a specific channel strategy. This means choosing a niche or topic that you're passionate about and creating content around that topic. By focusing on a specific niche, you can attract viewers who are interested in that topic and who are more likely to subscribe to your channel. Add value to your subscribers. Another important strategy for getting 1000 subscribers fast is to add value to your subscribers. This means creating content that is useful, informative, and entertaining. You should also try to reply to every comment you receive and engage with your audience as much as possible. By providing value to your subscribers, you can create a loyal following that will help you grow your channel over time. Use of pinned comment. Finally, you can use a pinned comment to give subscribers a direct link to your channel. This will make it easy for viewers to subscribe to your channel and will increase your chances of getting more subscribers. You can also use a pinned comment to promote your other social media accounts or to ask for feedback from your audience. Conclusion. By implementing these strategies, you can get 1000 subscribers fast on YouTube. Remember to focus on channel branding, recommend users more of your content, use the peace strategy, choose a specific channel strategy, add value to your subscribers, and use a pinned comment. With a little bit of hard work and dedication, you can grow your channel and achieve your goals on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it helpful.